So it turns out that Ninja was actually an employee of the house, and he was there to help me. So we had to set up the fire, and as you can see, there's a counterweight on the pot hook, which is hanging from the ceiling. We actually started cooking in the kitchen, because if you start directly from the fire, it will take forever. So we started on the regular stove and then brought it over to the fire. And as you can see, it's quite wobbly and heavy, so the weight adjustment is a little tricky. And because the pot is so wobbly, it's actually a little hard to serve. Now that dinner was done, it was time to do something else.
Alright, so I want to show you something. This is the tub, oh my god. So this is metal, and you can put fire underneath, but we're gonna cheat. So we have to put this in so that your bum doesn't get too hot. So let's try it. This is wood. Oh, okay. Let's see what it's like. Oh. Oh my gosh. This is great. Oh my gosh. Woo!
So I got a small taste of old Japanese life staying at this kominka. It was fun for a night, but I'm happy for my modern life. What did you think? Would you stay in one? Be sure to check the description for a link to this house.